Hi! In front of me is VIVO T1 Pro 5 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. You need to begin by opening your device's keyboard. If microphone icon is not visible at the top right corner of it, select this gear between three dots and clipboard. Now click on voice typing and hit this gray switcher to activate it. When you are finished, go back. Now to start typing, simply click on mic icon. And if you never used this option before, hit while using the app in the pop-up. Voice typing is now on. If you want to stop, tap on the same icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!